Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are starting our machine learning basic series, and today's topic is handling missing values. So, now in real world data sets, missing data is extremely common. Okay, if you don't handle it properly, your model can give wrong predictions or even make crash. Okay, and so in this video, I will show you what missing values are, why they matter, and different ways to handle them using Python. Okay, so what are missing values? Missing values are data points that are not recorded or available in a data set. Suppose I am showing you a data set. So this is my data set. Okay, so as you can see, this is our missing data. Here it is missing. These are our missing data. So we need to fix it. So why we need to fix it? Suppose if we don't handle missing values, machine learning model may crash. Accuracy of model will be decreased. Analysis will become misleading. That's what it is written. Prevent model errors, improve accuracy, and ensure reliable analysis. Okay. So we will do this using Python. Why we are doing this using Python? Because suppose if you have 50,000 to 1 lakh rules in your data set, so it will become very difficult to handle this using Excel only. Okay, so we will use Python. We will see what are the different ways to handle missing values. Okay, so I will show you the different ways of handling missing values using Python. So for coding purpose, we will use Jupyter Lab. For Jupyter Lab, you just need to download this Anaconda Navigator in your system. In my system, it is already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it. So when you will download it, then simply when you will search here Anaconda prompt, okay, Anaconda prompt. So and then you will write CD and you will just give your file location. I'm giving the file location cd control v enter write Jupyter Lab, then again press enter. It will automatically navigate to your browser and it will open Jupyter Lab. Okay, so it is opening. uh, so you can see it is open in my browser. Okay, I will choose this and suppose I am renaming it, suppose first and missing values. Okay, okay, enter. First, I will import some required libraries. Import numpy as np. Enter import pandas as pd. Shift plus enter. Okay. Now I will load the dataset. So how we can load the dataset? We can load the dataset using pandas libraries. Okay. Suppose I'm taking a variable data is equal to in this variable I am loading the data set. The data is equal to pd dot read slash csv, and I will simply give the path, copy path. I will put the path. Okay. So for checking my data is loaded or not, we will check first three columns. Okay. Sorry, first three rows. Data dot head three. It will give the first three rows. Head gives the first five rows, so I'm taking three rows on. Okay, shift plus enter. See, my data is loaded, and here are these three columns. So this you can see nan. These are some missing values. We need to fix this. Okay, so what are the we will see what are the different ways to handle this. First, we will check the shape of the data. Data dot shape. Okay, so we can see here I have written CSV because this file type is CSV. you have Excel, then you can write here Excel and you can give the path. Okay. So we can see by data.shape there are 16,598 rows and 11 columns I have. Okay. So I'm checking how many null values, how many missing values are there. So how we can check that data is null dot sum. Okay. So you can see in year column there are 271 missing values. There are two values are missing in journal. Publics are 72. You can see that. So we need to fix this. Okay. So how we can fix that? In notes, there are many ways. We can drop the columns. We can use mean median mode, forward fill, backward fill. We will see that. Okay, practically. So, so our first method. Suppose I don't need this column. Okay. Suppose I don't need this column and it has some missing values. So we can just simply drop this column. Okay. How we can drop the column? Data dot drop columns is equal to square braces and give the column name. Okay. Control C and Control V. Okay. And we will write in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true means we are updating the data permanently. Okay. See, I have done this. Okay. Now we will check data dot save. Okay. Data dot save. Shift plus enter. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It is data dot save. Now you can see there are 10 columns only. And here you can see I had 11 columns. Now I have 10 columns. It means publisher column is removed. Okay. Now another way. We can simply drop those columns and simply drop this. So how we can drop it? Data dot drop na. Okay. Data dot drop na. You can write in place is equal to true for updating permanently. Okay. I'm not writing it because I have to show you the different ways also. So I'm not writing in place is equal to true. It will like remove permanently the missing values rows. Okay. See, so it has dropped the missing values, missing rows which had missing values in any column. Okay. Now another. Suppose if we see data is null dot sum. Okay. Okay. Then if we write in place is equal to true. Okay, it means it will update the data permanently. Suppose I'm writing it. Now you will see there is no missing values in any column. Okay, we have dropped that. Now another way. Suppose I want to write unknown or zero in place of missing values. Okay, so how we can do that? Data dot fill na fill na write unknown. Okay, shift plus enter. It will replace missing values nan or anything with unknown. Okay, so this is also one way of handling missing values. Suppose now I want to fill by forward fill. What is forward fill? Suppose this is my missing value. Suppose this is my null value. Okay, so I need to fix this. So what forward will do is this missing value will take 33 as its previous value. Okay, so we can do data dot ffill ffill. Okay, x is equal to 1. Why we are writing x is equal to 1? X is equal to 1. What x is equal to 1 do? It will update the data horizontally. Okay, it will do the it will update the data horizontally. Okay, x is equal to 1. Data data dot backward fill. Data dot backward fill. Backward fill. What backward fill do? It will take this value, next value. Okay, this will take 30 value. If this is null value, it will take 30. Their next value. Okay, right axis is equal to 1. Okay, shift plus enter. Okay, this is also the one way. This is also the way to handle missing values. And next, suppose I want to do it for a single column. Suppose I want to do backward fill for general column. So how we can do that? Data, take the column, OC column dot B fill, B2. Okay, shift plus enter. It will take the next value in its missing value. Okay. Now next, we can do this by using mean, mode, median also. Suppose mean, mode, median is used for basically numerical values. So I have numerical values in year column. So we can do this by year. Okay. So we'll see. Suppose how we can do that. Data, we are taking year dot fill NA in parentheses. Again, we will take data year. So from where we are updating. From year's mean value, we are filling the missing value. So we will take mean. Okay. So what we are doing here, data year. We have taken year column from data. We are filling missing values, fill NA, and from where we are filling missing values, year dot mean. Okay. From mean of the year column, we are filling the missing values of year. So shift plus enter. Okay. Same way we can do this median and mode also. We can simply write here median. Okay. Shift plus enter. And same way we can do by mode. So you all know about mean, mode, and median. So these are the different ways, okay, to handle missing values. These are the different ways to handle missing values. In the next video, we will see how we can handle duplicates value. Okay. Thank you.